Today I am excited to show you how to preserve fresh peas so you can enjoy their sweet flavor all year around. Now start by shelling your fresh peas. This method ensured the peas remain fresh, vibrant and flavorful for a long time. Now giving them a good rinse under cold water. Clean all the dirt properly. Next, bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil and add the peas. Let the peas boil for 2 or 3 minutes. It is known as blanching, helps preserve their color, texture and nutrients. After boiling, strain the peas. Prepare a bowl of cold water and immediately transfer them to the cold water. Let them sit for about 3 to 5 minutes until completely cool. Once cooled, drain the peas and spread them out on a clean colander. Gently pat them dry to remove any excess moisture. Now add 1 teaspoon of cooking oil and mix them well. After mixed, now pack the dried peas into airtight containers or freezer-safe bags. If you are using bags, try to remove as much air as possible to prevent freezer burn. Place them in the freezer. Properly stored, these peas can last up to 10 months to 1 year. And there you have it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.